Good day YouTube, Niagara Gunfighter here with an install option for some nice handguards on the Gen 3 KLR 650. I can confirm that the factory handguards for a 2017 Kawasaki Versys 650 are a direct fit for the Generation 3 KLR. Here's a look at the part numbers that I ordered from the dealer. You need a bracket and shell to complete this kit. Don't let the dealer tell you they won't fit, it bolted right on with no problems. I know $200 is a lot, but they look great on the motorcycle. The kit came well packaged and included everything you need to install with or without the handlebar weights. One of the things I like is the rigid shell. The Gen 3 shell is pretty flimsy plastic and has no metal bar, where the one for the 2017 Versys is much more stiff and has the full metal bar attachment. On the motorcycle, I know some owners have reported difficulty removing the weights, but mine came right off with a little elbow grease and a 1/4-inch ratchet. Kawasaki did use the red Loctite, so I guess they didn't think we'd be removing these parts. The kit comes with a longer bolt shown here and a bushing for the weight, or you could reuse the original bolt without the weight. I experienced no problems on the install and recommend you leave this end bolt loose while you attach the other end. Depending on your setup, you should expect to have to loosen the brake and clutch mounts for routing this bracket. This clamp should be positioned just under the joint on the handlebar. The directions come with torque specs, and I was pretty close on by hand tightening. You should be able to route this without the new parts touching the brake line, wires, or clutch cable and still have clearance to avoid hitting the fairing. While I wish I could have gotten the flat black shell, the glossy one still looks great on the KLR. You will need a 4, 5, and 6mm plus a Phillips head screwdriver to complete this application, and the kit comes with good directions. Although I suspect if you're wrenching your own KLR, you could complete this job without reading them. Please like my video and follow my channel, Niagara Gunfighter on YouTube. Thanks for watching.